This is awesome. We got our buddy Stephen Guilfoyle here on Wall Street to talk his favorite topic, the markets. Hey, Stephen, how's it going?
Olivia, it's going well. Yourself?
Oh, it's going well, thank you. Listen, all right, so let's talk these markets. Looks like traders are bidding up some call options for the VIX in August. So why are they expecting some turbulence?
It's been so low, and there could be some volatility on the horizon. We just saw the ECB indicate that they're probably going to be easing monetary policy starting in September and going into Christine Lagarde's probable term. We know that the Fed steps up to the plate next week. We're looking for a 25 basis point cut to the Fed funds rate, but we're not sure how they're going to word this and how it's going to look going forward. We're thinking maybe 3 rate cuts over the course of the year. The economy is telling us that maybe that's not necessary. Currency traders are telling us that, yes, it's definitely necessary. Bond markets are also saying it's definitely necessary. There's a lot on the table, and there's a lot that could go wrong. We'll get the second quarter look at GDP tomorrow, this Friday. Yes. Atlanta just lowered those expectations. There's a lot going on, and it's earnings season. What else could happen?
Hey, well, what else can happen? We can hear what Steven's buying. What do you like and what do you don't like?
The last stock I bought was Tesla. I bought it this morning on the big downturn. Last I looked...
Wait. Tesla? Hold the phone. Why Tesla?
Okay, I did the research. It's grossly overvalued. I get it. I understand value investing, guys, but I'm also a trader. And yesterday on that big pop in Chipotle, I shorted that one at the top and I made a few bucks. So I tried to pull the reverse on Tesla today. It's not working so far, folks. But I'm still in the game. Only down about $1.50 last I looked. Basically, other than that, where I am investing, I think I'm a little late to the game, but I'm catching up as most portfolio managers are right now to the semiconductors, all right? A lot of folks missed this move. They've been hot in June. They've been hot in July. I've been long AMD and Intel the whole time, as well as NVIDIA. But now the storage names, NAND, DRAM, Micron, Storage Tech, I'm long that one, and Western Dig, which I'm also long for disclosure purposes, but I got that one late, so that one's not a victory at all. But the whole space is really hot, and I think you still have to be long the cloud. The cloud is full of year-to-date winners.
So, Stephen, if you like Tesla, then I have to ask you...
Tesla. It's a trade. It's a trade.
Sorry. If you're trading Tesla, what do you think about Beyond Meat?
That's one I'm looking to short. I'm not... It's definitely one where you can get your face ripped off because you saw how it reacted to the Dunkin' Donuts news. All right? What if they land a big player? What if they land a McDonald's hamburgers or something like that? This thing, valuation doesn't matter. We all know that there's a cult following. That's why Tesla trades at the valuations, because it's green and people like it. Well, there's kind of the same sort of folks that might be interested in something like Beyond Meat. I'm not poo-pooing this agenda at all. I'm trying to trade it. I'm trying to understand it. So while my discipline will not allow me to buy a stock like Beyond Meat just on speculation, I do look for the spot where it might contract. And when I do make that play, it'll probably be through the options market.
All right. Well, you know what, Stephen? I love reading your Market Recon. I read it every morning. If you guys haven't, you have to definitely check it out. It definitely gets you locked and loaded for the day. Something that you mention a lot in it is having skin in the game in this financial media. What exactly do you mean by that?
It just annoys the heck out of me sometimes. When certain individuals who I may know or may just think might not really have so much skin in the game, an opinion ventured by someone. I don't want to put down the journalists or anything like that, but when I see maybe someone who I know doesn't really trade a portfolio or maybe has a base salary and doesn't rely on his own successes or her own successes and failures to get by. So sometimes when I see someone venture an opinion that is based on their own book or maybe if they work for the sell side, maybe what they've been manicured to say through their legal departments, it kind of annoys me a little bit. And being I am a guy who sits in front of a computer and lives by my P&L, I kind of appreciate the guys who I think also do that.
Well, we really appreciate you taking the time and telling us, stuff that you've honestly made some money in, maybe not interested in. And this journalist, maybe I'm going to buy some Chipotle now. Who knows?
You know what? Buy the burrito. It's much safer.
I meant the stock, but I'll definitely take the burrito. Stephen, we love having you on Modern Wall Street. Come back again soon.
You bet.